Welcome to Finan Simple, where money is made easy. And in today's video, here are 9 brand new remote jobs available worldwide for you. So if you've been seeking a remote job opportunity, you're in luck. Today is the day you just might find the one for you. Let's get started. Starting off with number 9 is Supersite.com. Supersite is a fantastic company, a design company to be exact. They have constructed a frictional design apps platform and hired the top creatives in the world as stated on their website. Those individuals have been working remotely since the beginning, so they are well competent in their niche. Supersite is an excellent place to start if you really want to work with a reliable remote organization. They've also collaborated with Coinbase and work for Amazon and Meta. If you are unfamiliar with Meta, examples include Facebook, Puma, Booking.com, Salesforce, and a long list of others. When you go over to the Careers tab on their website, or it can also be accessed at careers.superside.com, scroll down and you will see that they have over 700 people working at Superside. They claim to be pioneering the future of work, and they work together to bring innovation to another scale. They are in over 60 different countries, over 12 different time zones, over 450 consumers. There is honestly a lot available for you. Go on over and check out the possibilities. Although it may lean more toward the design, you never know what might be offered. You can check out their job vacancy once you click apply now, once you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the careers tab. You'll notice that they have project management, creativity, and technology. They also have resources for sales and marketing. You should also look at strategy, services, and talent there. If you can't find a position that quite fits your experience level, they have also considered that. When you go to the bottom of the page, you may go to the Not Quite Right section. There, you can register your interest to receive notifications of any openings that match your requirements. It is a terrific chance to teach them some skills you think would help them, right? Moving on to number 8, Consensus. Consensus is a business that develops tools, goods, and services for the Ethereum ecosystem. Many of the jobs available there will be in the design and technical fields, although there are also some roles that don't demand technical training. But what is interesting there is that they offer a good benefits package. Equity within the firm is extremely fantastic, as it states on its page. We have a comprehensive and competitive benefits package to make sure we're looking after you and what matters most. They value ownership and want everyone to have a role in the company's future success. Pretty cool. Flexible work schedules, and if you did not expect it, unlimited holidays and vacations. When you visit the Browse Roles Positions page, you will see all the various positions they have open. Additionally, you can go there and browse the many other sections available. Naturally, they have remote jobs, but they also have places all over the world. As a result, if you're someone that wants to work both remotely and in an office, there may just be one for you. Go ahead and check out the fantastic opportunities that may be available for you. Next, Mod Squad is number 7 on the list. They've been around since 2007. If you're not familiar, Mod Squad provides customer experience services to some of the most well-known brands in the world. They've worked with Kimpton, EA Sports, Zendesk AE, Warner Brothers, PBS, Vimeo, and the NFL. They provide outsourced customer services on every platform for clients all over the globe. Of course, they also offer remote opportunities, which is nice as you can work remotely as well, right? Everyone may be remote these days, but will they be remote tomorrow? Ever since they started in 2007, they have already been a remote first company. They are simply the pioneers of the remote world. They're very into their work culture, which is awesome, and they have visions such as those mentioned on their website. Growth opportunities, as they say, we're not a startup anymore, but with our rate of growth, it's still a great time to join the company. You get to work with amazing companies and brands all over the world and work with amazing colleagues. They also enjoy giving back and supporting charities, which is another great thing to consider. It stays there. Be a part of our Extra Life team as we raise money for Children's Miracle Network hospitals each November. Think about it, unlimited vacation. That probably wasn't available for you when you worked a 9 to 5. Competitive benefits. Perks and benefits for US employees include 401k, medical coverage, and unlimited vacation. Pretty awesome, right? Numerous vacant positions, brand representatives, community manager, finance, legal, marketing, sales, and others. They even have sales directors and remote sales managers. If you want to look for opportunities in technology, they have it. So, Mod Squad is worth checking out for various jobs. For number 6, Polygon. There are a ton of fantastic opportunities there. As they say on their website, your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to help scale Ethereum in the fastest and the most secure manner. If you go over to the career area, you will see their statement that says, Discover what is possible. They have everything, such as individuals in business administration. These are even entry level employment in administration, business development, sales, technology, and marketing. There are countless opportunities available to you aspiring individuals everywhere. So, if you prefer a job in that field, feel free to look around. Number 5 is Achieve Test Prep. What is it? It is simply a company that aids college students in passing their courses. They assist people in passing tests for a variety of majors, including business, dentistry, nursing, and more. As it says on their website, time saving college prep services. So, it is an excellent company if you have a history in education and enjoy tutoring and helping others. When you get to their careers page, you will see their achievement that Achieve Test Prep has been selected as a top 100 telecommuting friendly place to work in the United States by FlexJob for 3 straight years. FlexJob has rated them as one of the top 100 companies in 2021. So, you can be assured that it is a great place to work in. Imagine a trustworthy organization that offers 100% work from home careers, a friendly working atmosphere, and chances for on the job training. What else can you ask for? They even have totally remote opportunities accessible on their recruitment site now, including web developers, assistant project managers, appointment centers, and sales reps. They also have positions available in the United States. So, if you're interested in the education industry and want to assist students to succeed, definitely take the opportunity to check that out. Next up, number 4 is Study Smarter. Study Smarter, your all-in-one learning app. As their motto says, join 94% of Study Smarter users achieving better grades. We've got all the tools you need to succeed in your studies. All in one app, all for free, available on a smartphone and a desktop. It is quite like the business before this, Achieve Test Prep. If you look at their careers page, their first statement may seem enticing to you as it says, How about working somewhere where work doesn't feel like work at all? They focus mostly on the remote scene as their mission is to empower people with extraordinary talent to unleash their potential and use their knowledge to improve the lives of millions of students throughout the world. Pretty interesting, right? Moreover, they commit to everything you need to succeed in your business ventures. Study smarter people are said to be at the core of everything. As they say, we do our best to look after your physical and mental health as well as your learning and career development. So if you're working at the site on your job, they offer various amenities such as complimentary food and beverages. They even offer weekly yoga, or what this video is about. So, if you scroll all the way down to the career page, they offer advice for application. To give yourself the best opportunity of getting your ideal remote work, they help instruct you on how to prepare and complete your application. While you're applying, use the time to check out the app, use it, and learn more about Study Smarter by doing some prior research on their program. If you have any inquiries, send them. When applying, describe your vision and your professional and personal goals, as well as your most relevant experiences. Why do you wish to partner with them? Be genuine. Keep your composure and relax so that they may get to know the real you. So, go on over so you can look at all your possibilities and get the best option for you. Now, on to number 4, Taptal. Taptal is a website for freelancers. People use that site to find freelancers to work on projects for their companies. They collaborate with businesses like Kraft and Heinz, Bridgestone, Duolingo, USC, and Shopify. Taptal is a fantastic site for you to set up your profile and receive work on the actual platform, but it's also an exclusive network of the best independent software developers, designers, financial experts, product managers, and project managers in the world, as it states there. On the other hand, Taptal also offers remote employment opportunities. Additionally, there are options there where you can get information about Taptal, its culture, benefits, and career chances when you visit its career website. You should also check out the advantages while you're at it. They allow you to work whenever and wherever you choose. As they say, being a fully remote company means that all you need is a Wi Fi and a laptop. Flexible time off, an essential part of doing your best work, means taking the time to recharge. They are all concerned with your success, pleasure, and comfort. It was also clear that they offer a wide range of employment options, including those in business analytics, business operations, creative design, engineering, marketing, revenue, sales, and much more. So, what more can you do wrong about TopTal? Check them out now. Number 3 is Airbnb. Over 170 vacancies are open at 106 sites, which is an enormous number of positions. They also offer remote employment. They all revolve around traveling and working remotely. They even have numerous departments, including those for administration, company growth, business operations, and design, as you can see on their website. The list is endless, and there are even sales positions on it. There are numerous occupations available there that you can obtain and perform without a college degree. So, why not get a job at Airbnb? Up next, number 2 is greenhouse.com. Now, they are an exceptionally cool and original company. They aid firms in the hiring, recruitment, and onboarding processes, which is a very clever approach. Additionally, they provide a ton of fantastic remote employment options. On their opportunities page on their website, you can find job openings in customer success, finance and business operations, marketing, and people. They also have payroll products, professional services, research and development, and sales. Global policy and compliance analysts are another position that they have available. Although some of those positions are currently closed, it is advisable to always check back because you never know, right? Finally, coming in at number 1, Wikimedia. The foundation of free knowledge is provided by Wikimedia, a nonprofit organization. It is quite like Wikipedia if you're familiar with that. Now, nonprofits may not be for everyone, but hey, come check them out if you like that sort of business. If you look over at their website, there are a ton of remote job opportunities available. They have exciting offers in advancement, communications, banking, and law. Simply scroll through the categories of communications, site management, finance, legal, and product. They are all about inclusion, equity, and diversity. Check them out and maybe you can find something you like. Additionally, you can see that they offer a ton of fantastic benefits and incentives like healthcare, new patient leave, wellness, reimbursement that may amount to up to $1,800 per year and $450 per quarter, as well as professional development program, a 401k, and time off. Their motto, generous paid time off policy of over 45 days, is definitely something that should excite you. Always stay focused on learning and developing discipline. Get educated, make a plan, and stay the course. If you found this informative, smash the like button, please share it with a friend, comment down below, and let us know what would you like to have made Finan Simple next. And definitely subscribe so you don't miss new content. Keep your head up, ears open, and always search for knowledge. See you soon!